So Kim, when talking about skills that are learned in exercising influence or managing innovation, I've heard you use the words difficult skills. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, it's very common in training and development to differentiate between the hard skills and the soft skills. And there's often kind of an attitude that goes with that. And at one point I realized that a good way to explain it is to say there are hard skills, by which we mean more technical kinds of skills and things that involve how things work. And then there are difficult skills, which have to do with the way that people work. And those are, in general, more sophisticated and difficult to learn. And so rather than calling them soft, I think it makes more sense to call them difficult.
Thank you.